Another key theme of the exhibition is nature's riches, exploring the relationship between festivals and the natural world. This is an Aleutian fishing visor from Alaska. You can see that it has blue beads decorating it. Runs of beluga or beluga whales took place in Alaska every summer. Beluga were hunted by men at sea, who watched for their arrival and brought them to shore to butcher. Women cooked their meat and their skin was also cut and hung up to dry. Traders from Russia then joined native Alaskan peoples to take part in an annual trade fair which took place after the beluga hunt, exchanging beads for whale meat and byproducts. These blue beads reflect the Russian influence in Alaska over the centuries.
Christmas dinner is an essential element of nativity celebrations in Christian countries. In Ireland and in many other places, a turkey is generally considered traditional, although a century ago a goose was more usual. However, in several European countries, including Germany, Austria, Poland, Hungary, the Czech Republic and Slovakia, carp is favoured. It may be eaten in soup, fried or roasted. This film from 1936 shows carp being caught using traditional fishing techniques for a special dinner which is eaten on Christmas Eve. Midsummer bonfires are still lit in some rural areas of Ireland, for example near the Bechmore stone circles in County Tyrone, where the midsummer sun is said to dance on the stones. The bonfires are lit on St John's Eve, the 23rd of June. This tradition is reflected in a celebration held by the Camp Hill community in County Down, in which St John the Baptist triumphs over evil and lights a huge bonfire.